Now let's replace an image on your page. When you have an image that you want to replace, just click on it. Here, this image is the background, so I'll click Change Background. And then here, click Image. From this window, you can either upload your own image, or you can explore images from Wix's library. So here in Media from Wix, you can go up to the search bar and type in something to find what you're looking for. Then you can browse the collection of free images that you could use to replace your background. Go ahead and select one that you want to choose, and then change background. After a moment, it'll load. Once you've selected an image, you can also edit it. Click here to go to Settings. You can adjust the opacity and the color, and also how the image is scaled or positioned. You also have access to an AI image generator. To see that, click Change Background again, and then Image, then choose AI Image Creator over on the left. Here you can describe your image, choose a style, and click Create Image. If you don't like what's created, you can try again, or you could also upload your own images. Let me show you that real quick. I'll click Cancel and Leave, and then I'll click Upload Media. Here you can source your images from a few different places, but I'll upload from my computer. After you select an image, click Open, and then it will upload. Once it uploads, you can select it and click Change Background. Further tweaking the image is easy, and you can click this button right here. That opens the Photo Studio, and you have access to all sorts of editing tools, right in Wix itself. Here I can brighten this image slightly, raise the shadows, and you can add a tint this way as well. If you ever need to darken or lighten an image so that you can see text better, this is a good way to do so. When you're happy with your edits, click Save.